In high-speed textile manufacturing, ensuring quality is critical. Manual inspection struggles to keep pace with speed, consistency, and true traceability. Defects slip through. These quality losses are simply accepted as the cost of doing business. The KIARA Web Inspection System, KWIS, changes this. An AI-powered solution built for continuous fabrics, delivering 100% reliable, real-time control. KWIS sees everything, but you define the standard. It stops production for critical defects, ensuring quality without killing efficiency. And with KWIS Roll Twin Review, every fabric roll gets a digital twin. You get a complete defect map with actual images traceability from the loom to the final shipment, adapting across fabric type speeds and applications. Stop reacting to defects. Start preventing them. Minimize waste, reduce rework, and protect your margins. Explore the KWIS product suite. Scan QR code, book a pilot,